Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using OpenSea, so your mileage may vary. OpenSea, accessible at https://OpenSea.io, is a prominent online marketplace dedicated to buying, selling, and exploring non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Essentially, it serves as a digital storefront where artists, creators, and collectors can connect and engage with the exciting world of digital ownership. Think of it like an eBay or Etsy, but specifically for digital assets verified using blockchain technology. Navigating OpenSea is generally user-friendly, although the sheer volume of NFTs available can be overwhelming initially. The platform offers a wide array of digital collectibles, spanning from digital art and music to virtual real estate and in-game items. One of OpenSea's strengths lies in its support for multiple blockchains, meaning you can discover NFTs built on different networks, expanding the scope of your exploration. Whether you're an experienced NFT enthusiast or a curious newcomer, OpenSea provides the tools to browse, search, and filter through a vast collection of digital assets. You can search by specific keywords, collections, or even individual creators. This functionality makes it easier to find what you're looking for, or even stumble upon hidden gems within the expansive NFT universe. The platform also facilitates creating your own NFT collections, allowing you to showcase and sell your digital creations to a global audience. Additionally, OpenSea offers a valuable resource for tracking market trends and the performance of specific NFT projects. You can observe sales history, floor prices, and trading volume, providing valuable insights into the dynamics of the NFT market. While the platform offers robust functionality, understanding the intricacies of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency is highly recommended before diving into buying or selling NFTs. Just like any online marketplace, it's essential to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making any purchases. Be aware of potential scams and always verify the legitimacy of the NFTs and sellers you interact with. While OpenSea implements security measures, personal vigilance is crucial in navigating the digital asset landscape safely.